Okay, what we will see is nothing but now. Oh, okay, that is nothing but what we will see is nothing but the Kaveri river. Okay, what the Kaveri river? This is the Kaveri river. Kaveri river. Okay, this Kaveri river is there, no? It is born at this Kaveri river. Born at Brahmagiri Hills. It is born at Brahmagiri Hills. Okay, it is born at Brahmagiri Hills, Karnataka. Okay, that is the thing. And this Kaveri river is there, no? This Kaveri river, it merges at Kaveri Pattanam. It merges at Kaveri Pattanam. Okay. Then the two important projects on the river Kaveri are Meghadoot, and this is Mettur. Okay. This Mettur dam is very much famous in Tamil Nadu. Okay. And this Meghadoot project was in Karnataka. Okay. This was in Karnataka and this was in Tamil Nadu. Okay. That is the thing. This is about all about the Kaveri river. Now we will see the river Nagavali. Okay, the one and only Nagavali. Okay, this is the one and only Nagavali. Okay, Nagavali river. Nagavali river. This Nagavali river is there, no? It is born at Tuvamul Rampur. Tuvamul Rampur. Tuvamul Rampur, and where it is nothing but in Odisha. Tuvamul Rampur in Odisha. Okay, and this Nagavali river is there, no? This Nagavali river, it is also called as Langulya, also called as an Langulya. Okay, this on this Nagavali river, one tributary is there. Okay, tributary. Okay, the tributary of this Nagavali is nothing but Jamjavati. This tributary is called as an Jamjavati, and on this Jamjavati, we are going to have Asia's first rubber dam. Okay, what we are going to have? We are going to have that Asia's first rubber dam was located, or it is constructed on Jamjavati river. This Jamjavati river is nothing but the tributary of this Nagavali river. Okay, that is the thing. Then we will see Vamsidhara. Then we will see the Vamsidhara river. The Vamsidhara river. Okay, this Vamsidhara river is there, no? This Vamsidhara river, it is born at, this river is also born at Tuvamul Rampur. Okay, born at Tuvamul Rampur, and it is located where? It is located in Odisha. The Tuvamul Rampur, Odisha. Okay. Next, this Vamsidhara river, it is merges into Kalingapatnam. Merges. It merges into Kalingapatnam, Vamsidhara river. Okay. That is the thing. These two are enough. Okay, these two are enough. Next, we will see that that is nothing but Penna river. This Penna river, it is also called as Pinakini river. Pinakini River is also called as a Pinakini River. It is nothing but the Pinakini River. Okay, and where it is born? Okay, this river is there. No, this river is born at Nandidurga Hills. Nandidurga Hills. Okay, it is born at Nandidurga Hills. Where? In Karnataka. Okay, it is born at Nandidurga Hills, Karnataka. Okay, and this on this Penna river we are going to have one project. That project name is nothing but Somasila project. It is called as an Somasila project. We are going to have one project. It is called as an Somasila project. Okay, that is the thing. This is all about that Penna river. Then we are going to have other one is nothing but Mahanadi river, or river Mahanadi, or Mahanadi river. This Mahanadi river is there. No, where it is born? It is born in Sihava Hills. It is born in Sihava Hills. Okay, Sihava Hills. Okay, it is born in Sihava Hills, and the Sihava Hills are located in Chhattisgarh. The Sihava Hills are located in Chhattisgarh. Mahanadi river is born. Okay, on Mahanadi river we are going to have one dam, that is nothing but Hirakud Dam. Hirakud Dam. Okay, this Hirakud Dam is located in Sambalpur, Odisha. Sambalpur, Odisha, and this Hirakud Dam is there. No, it is the longest. It is the longest dam. It is the longest dam in India. Okay, it is the longest dam in India. Okay, finally what we have to remember is nothing but this river Mahanadi. River Mahanadi, it is born in Sihava Hills. It is born in Sihava Hills, Mahanadi. Okay, Mahasiha. Okay, then river Kaveri. This river Kaveri, it is born in Brahmagiri Hills. It is born in the Brahmagiri Hills. Okay, and then this river Penna. Okay, this river Penna is there. No, this river Penna, it is born in Nandidurga Hills. Nandidurga Hills. Okay, and then that river Vamsadhara and river Nagavali. These two are born in Tuvamul Rampur. Tuvamul Rampur. Okay, that is the thing. These things we have to remember. Okay, thank you.